Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to add a soundboard to Gorilla Tag on Oculus without needing a PC. This is a great way to add fun audio effects to your gameplay. Let's dive in. First, install the VR Chat Soundboard app, which works well with various VR games including Gorilla Tag. You can find this app on SideQuest or the app left directly on your Oculus headset. Once it's installed, open up Gorilla Tag as usual, then minimize it to access the soundboard app. In the VR Chat soundboard, you'll find various preset sounds to get started, and you can even add custom audio files if you want something unique. Simply select the sounds you want to use and adjust them as needed. Finally, toggle the soundboard on and off during your gameplay to enhance your interactions in Gorilla Tag. And that's it. A quick, easy setup for sound effects in Gorilla Tag with just your Oculus headset. Enjoy customizing your game and adding those fun sound effects.